the body, the foot warm. It keeps the foot warm. Normally what we do, why do I say banana leaf? Banana leaf does not absorb the balm or the gel or the oil. But if you apply the cloth of cotton wool, the cotton wool will take almost 80% of your balm back into the cotton wool. So you apply your banana leaf, wrap it up, keep it for an hour. I assure you that person is 30% better. Is that clear?
Any particular diet or?
I mean, just finished it. For 1.5 hours I have been talking about diet. No, that's no problem. It is due to lack of glucosamine. Now what's a glucosamine? Glucosamine is in every vegetable and milk. But glucosamine is destroyed when you cook anything above 60 degrees. So when you boil milk, it is over 100 degrees. It's finito. So you need to take glucosamine tablets which are there. You need to help yourself out with something external help. But as I always say, if your food is right, you don't require medicine. If your food is wrong, no medicine will work.
How many tablets should be taken?
1500 mg. So you read the label. If it's 350 or 375 mg in a capsule, you require 4. 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. The glucosamine. These are the glucosamine. Basically GSM, glucosamine, MGM. These are the magnesium, this thing. Whatever it is, but read the label and you get it. Now vegetarians, when you buy these glucosamine tablets, be careful because sometimes they use the fish and the shrimps fats and glucosamine in it. That is why the Americans' glucosamine tablets do not work in India. But if you are a non-veg and you have your fish and shrimps, then those tablets will work. So be careful, read the labels, learn to read the labels please.
What is the dosage?
1500 mg.
Proteins, no?
Per day.
I wanted to ask you at a time. In vegetable, maximum proteins is available for which type?
No, vegetables are minerals and vitamins.
Proteins are not available.
Maximum. Your minerals and vitamins basically can consist of lot of water, lot of energy. These are basically food which helps you to give you energy.
But proteins are not available.
Proteins are available maximum in dal, milk, your dahi, your cheese, your tofu, your soya beans, your soya milk, your fish, meat, eggs. Excellent. Eggs again high cholesterol. If you add nachni and you add this thing, then you add protein to your carbohydrate, your chapati. You understand what I'm saying? You can add so many things to your chapati.
I am eating
Ragi, very good, excellent. Ragi is also very good. Nachni, ragi, you can have your soya powder, this thing, flour. Ragi, very good. Jawar or bajri, anybody making in winter bajri, please invite me home. I will get my sabji. Is that clear? Or, as I said very clearly, food supplement. You can have your food supplement. Capsules, tablet. Boss, let's be honest. Age ho jati hai, body cannot digest all the things you need. You need to take food supplements. खाना पड़ता है, गोली खा के थोड़ा बहुत जिंदगी निकालना पड़ता है. Is that clear? I gave you all the history about aloe vera, the wonder plant, excellent stuff. You need to keep it and use it wherever you can. Once in a day, 1 spoon, excellent stuff. 30 ml is normally, but even 50 ml with warm water, nothing like it, aloe vera juice. Is that clear? Wheatgrass, you can have it in powder form. You take grass, boil it, have the juice, crush it, or you can also chew the wheatgrass. You can have wheatgrass in any form available. You can, I'll give you Chandrika Ben's number. You could get in touch with her once in a while whenever you need to. Okay. Honey. Aloe vera can prevent over 212. It has 212 ingredients and can prevent over 200 disease. Honey can prevent 300 disease if you have it in the right form. I will share it with you. I will give you my email and her number, and I will post you the Kalonji chart also. Kalonji in different way can prevent 64 diseases. And diabetes is one of them, very important. Kalonji, I will send you with honey, reduces weight. Cold water with milk, when your child is growing, it will increase the weight.
Cold milk.
Yeah, cold milk in the night increases with honey the weight. Apply on burns that heals faster. You can apply on burns.
Directly honey.
Directly honey. Please see that it's pure honey. You have sugar or food and you apply it, be careful. Is that clear? Mouth ulcer. With coconut milk with honey, just keep it in your mouth. You know the cuts ho jata hai, ulcers in the mouth. Honey and coconut milk, excellent. Honey massage the gums. When you have these mouth ulcers and all that, massage it with your gums, very good. Honey is also good for diabetes. I knew somebody would say. Honey is good for diabetes. Please carry a bottle of honey with water. In case your sugar level drops, drink it. Honey goes directly into your blood and brings your sugar level back.
So warm water with honey once
In the night,
one spoon.
1 spoon of honey. Morning, night, anytime it is for you to reduce. Is that clear? Honey, bottle, keep it in your pocket, sugar level drops, drink it. You can do a sweet rakho, it takes time. Chocolate rakho, it takes time. Honey goes directly from your blood into your whole, from your tongue into your blood, into your cells.
But which brand of honey, like say, Dabur or
I'll share something with you. A very, very fact of life. Worldwide, not in India, worldwide, the production of honey is only 10% compared to its requirement, which is 100%. So you're getting 90% of honey, which is artificial.
What about the honey that you get from honey vendor?
Again, difficult. See, you can test, how do you taste honey? You keep it on a piece of cloth, it should roll down. I wish I had bought, next time when I come, we'll come with all this apparatus, which I do testing with. You drop honey. If the honey goes down into the water glass direct, that's pure. If it spreads, while going down it starts spreading, that's not pure. You take earbuds, you dip it into honey, and you light it. If it crackles like a fulgari, it's pure honey. These are the few things. कभी-कभी मैं मामलेश्वर जाता हूँ, दुकान में वो सब टेस्टिंग करता हूँ, बोलता है साहब क्या कर रहे हैं? मेरे गिराक भगा दोगे. Is that clear? You get honey now which are quite good, jamun honey, and honey which are,
Gujarat State Corporation, they are also making.
Haji?
Gujarat government.
બધા બનાવે છે સાહેબ. But
It will be started or not?
twice the time to make it, boil it, and twice the water. Okay? What I do is boil that rice in the cooker, then make